The root clod was between the opener and the closing wheel, and it caused everything to bulldoze its way out. So what would fix this is using a residue management system that would clear out the root ball up ahead, and then as you're going, as long as that opener is clean, then you don't have this bulldozing effect take place where it lays the trench open. The other thing is this was on heavy downforce on the planter, so we're putting the most we can down. Our closing wheels are set at the lightest setting, just enough to keep them from bouncing. Even though it's set on heavy downforce, the closing wheels are set on the lightest. The closing wheels did their job, but there was no soil in here to close in this point because it was being plowed clean. The residue management system would have solved this. Residue management with clean sweep would help even better. This field was full tillage. So if you look down here at the bottom, as opposed to what we saw earlier, we see the trenches closed. We see the closing wheels where it ran and everything, but we're seeing a soft soil condition. So with the excess downforce that we have on the planter, it's actually causing a valley to wash through here. And so if we get a lot of heavy rain, we could actually cause an erosion effect to happen in this location of the field. That's why it's important to have the correct downforce at all times. We're out here today. Part of the reason is to look at improving crop performance. And of course with that is the information you get at different depths, starting at 1 inch, going to 1.5 inches, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. One of the things we're doing as we find out is actually where the moisture level is in this ground. The other thing is where the residue is at in the soil that's been worked. So it's not good to keep seed next to residue or organic material that's going to rot the seed or take moisture away from that seed, because then we get uneven germination. If I plant it in clean soil a little deeper, between 2 and 2.5, we see good clean soil with good moisture. So that's what we've done so far by going through this. The next step is to put goof plates in it and cause mistakes by planting skips and doubles. These are the plates we're going to install. These are 27 hole plates, but these have 2 holes drilled in and then 2 of them that are plugged. So these extra holes are going to cause a double and the blanks are going to cause a skip.